I've pulled the compressor housing off of the Acura Genie. I'm gonna see if I can modify it to make a whistling sound, or a louder whistling sound at least. I saw some video online about it that you could apparently drill a hole in the compressor housing itself to make it whistle. So we're gonna attempt that here, put it back on, I'll do some sound clips, and we'll see if it makes a difference. Stay tuned. All right, party people, I'm back after drilling a hole, tapping it, as well as putting a bolt in it. So this is the theory, at least. The sharp edges of this hole, as the blades spin right next to the hole, will create a whistling sound. Apparently that's somewhat similar to how the T51R anti-surge mod works, but I saw this online in another video, didn't really see any instructions, so we're gonna see if this actually works myself. I'm gonna put this back on, and we'll do a sound clip. Stay tuned. All right, party people, this is after doing the crazy mod on it. It is whistling.